All right, this video is over trends in the periodic table. So all the trends are influenced by three factors. And the first one is effective nuclear charge. And this is the positive pull that the electrons feel based on how many electrons are in the nucleus. The more protons in the nucleus. So the more protons in the nucleus, the stronger the ZEF, or the effective nuclear charge. Then there's Coulomb's law. And Coulomb's law says that the closer the two charges are, the stronger the force between them. So if we have the negative charges of electrons and the positive charges of protons, the closer they get, the stronger they feel each other, and the farther apart they get, the less they feel each other. Then we have shielding. So our outer electrons are valence electrons, and we have our nucleus, and then we've got these inner electrons inside of here. And they kind of block or shield the valence electrons from feeling the positive charge of the nucleus. So our first trend is atomic size. So as we go down a group in the periodic table, the atoms get bigger. And they get bigger because we add energy levels as we go down. And as we add energy levels, the valence electrons on the outer side don't feel the protons as much, or the effective nuclear charge as much, because they're blocked by all these core inner electrons, so they're shielded. As you go across the periodic table, they get smaller, because you're not adding energy levels, but what you are adding is protons. So you feel an increased nuclear charge, and the electrons are pulled in much tighter. Ionic radii. So when an atom loses an electron, it forms a cation. So cations are always smaller than their metal neutral atoms. Anions gain electrons, and so they become bigger than their neutral atoms. Ionization energy is the quantity of energy required to remove an electron from an atom. And this is directly related to the effective nuclear charge. So as you go up and to the right, ionization energy increases. Electronegativity, this is the tendency of an atom to attract a pair of electrons or an electron. So as your nuclear charge increases, the atom has a stronger ability to attract these electrons, like little magnets. All right, so if you will do these problems, we'll go over them in class.